tailored suit, late trade, no sweat. Eyes on the chart, that candle set. They've been solid through the storms and the scares. Every year, same calm in the flesh. Top shelf plans, every tear, that's facts. Blueprint clean, every wrist contact. When I scale, it's a ladder, not a bed. Every run got steel in the step. You want proof? Check the curve, not the talk. See the line stay smooth, while the rest just walk deep fun. Deep roots in the ground, in a world full of shakes. They don't move when it's loud. Alpha futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it still stars. Alpha futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Text so clean, feel the speed in the scroll. No lag, no drag, full control. Execution like a lock on a vault. Click once, tight spread, no fall. I seen markets turn savage in an hour. Watch weak funds fold, lose power. They just glide through the waves, never shake. Same name, same strength, no break. You want calm in the rush, in the race. You want time, you want room, you want space. Deep funds, deep roots in the ground. In the field full of noise, they don't mimic the crowd. Future, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it still stars. Alpha future, when the screens glow gold. Every life plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Alpha future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Years in the fight, they refine, they remain. Names come and go, they engrave in the frame. If I'm putting on a tux for the kill shot and move, oh yeah. It's that badge on the inside, stitched in a suit, yeah. Alpha futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it still stars. Alpha futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha futures, write the script, play the role. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold.
If you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised. And every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I can see a green line if I went blind. And every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised. And every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred. Shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. To say no, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome everybody to the happy hour. How y'all doing today? You guys ready? How did you guys do this morning? I'm not a gamer girl. Who told you that? All right, cook two fucking evals. Well, guys, use code BDM. It's all I can say. But I want to say, like, PA was a bitch this morning. Like, I did not trade NQ. I traded YM because I looked at that and I was just like, that's why I've probably been stressed out trading because I was like, damn, like NQ this week has been so trash. YM has been like so much cleaner. I got in and out of trading like 5 minutes, took another one a power hour. Super clean too. Like the only problem is that YM does not move during Asia. I've been like looking at it, but it doesn't move. If not, I would trade it during Asia, but like fuck. Hell yeah. Yuck with 17K across 4 accounts. He's killing me, y'all. Yeah, and then Trade of Eight decided to freeze, and my stop loss and take profit didn't work. It just blew past everything for like 5 minutes. I was like, bro. Oh man. Um, so let me share my screen because I thought I forgot to share my screen. Okay. So I'm gonna actually show YM right next to it so you guys can see the difference. Let's go on the 15 minutes for each one, just so I'm like clear. There we go. Where's the open? 9:30 right here. YM 9:30. Where's it at? Right here. Okay, so ideally, I want to see a clear liquidity sweep, right? Running the previous highs. One wick, ideally, maybe two, right? When you see all of these wicks up here, this is not clean. I will accept the accumulation before. Wait, sorry, I actually marked the wrong thing. That is after 9:30. Where is actually 9:30 at? Right here, this candle. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm okay with the accumulation, right? Because that's what we want to see. But like, I don't like how we had like all these wicks. And then, granted, okay, we had a decent liquidity sweep. right? And then we got to this high right here, and then we started doing all of this, like all these other wicks. I personally didn't find a clean setup. Where's the 930? There we go. Okay. So when I look at this, there is nothing right here, right? Even though it looks on the 15-minute look cleaner, but like this is not the type of like PA I want to see, like wick up, wick down, and then like just wick, wick. There's no break of structure, right? To either side is just a big as accumulation. Like, there we go. Crazy took someone to call me out on my bullshit last week on stage. Payout requested today. Let's go. No, I'm not giving sauce. This is just market structure, guys. I'm looking at both. I'm comparing both. So they're side by side. So I'm showing what it looks like on the 1 minute, right? Where is it? Right here, 930. Right here. You see how at exactly 930 we had a very clean liquidity grab, and then on NQ at 930 we just did this bullshit right here. Like there was no structure broken. YM we had a candle closure below structure, so we did have, you know, like a perfect accumulation, manipulation, distribution. NQ did not give anything. It was just a bullshit like zigzag move. That is how I determined that one is better than the other.
What's that word?
There he is.
What's going on, man? How everybody feeling?
How are you?
I'm chilling, bro. My computer fucking froze for like 10 minutes, bro. That shit was crazy.
I know.
Hate that shit sometimes.
That was me. What is it, last week?
McDonald's Wi-Fi, nah. That's the motherfucking the actual computer, like itself. It's freezing. I don't use Walmart Wi-Fi like you do, Elijah. Didn't I tell you don't talk to me like that, bro? Didn't I already talk to you? I'll get on your ass again, bro.
YM is still moving higher, NQ moving lower. A little bit.
Let's see. What we thinking here, Izzy? We thinking the same thing?
I'm not thinking anything. NQ has been trashed. Sorry.
I'm on some nice little apexes right now. Past my account, so you know I'm not touching those.
Yeah, I was telling them that YM has been moving a lot cleaner than NQ. That I'm like, NQ this week has just been like so. Look at this shit. Like in the grand scheme of things, guys. Look at the 5 minutes. Does this look like something I want to trade? Like, what the fuck type of bullshit is this?
See what we do off this little 30-minute level here. Yes, we do have TA today. For shit show. We definitely have our TA meetings today, man. Y'all, everybody need to go practice. If you're trying to go on stage, go practice.
Go practice.
Sorry, 'cause it's my first time here on the happy hour.
I guess I'm bearish. looking at the structure on the 1 hour. Just at first glance.
Are you trading based on your fibs or something else? I'm trading based off P2P. P2P, brother. I only trade one way. It's a couple of reasons I get into a trade. Definitely have a couple of reasons why I get into trade. Now it's never just one reason.
Are you looking for buys or sells?
I have areas for both. I'm trying to see how we look in this 30-minute here.
The 1 hour, yeah, I see what you say on the 30 minutes. But when I look at the 1 hour, it has bearish structure just because we rejected off this level right here.
Yeah.
And then we have relative equal lows all the way down there that I definitely want to see tagged. Is it going to happen during Asia? That is the different question that I don't know.
The risk to reward was worth it. So see if we can pull up here on these buys. Risk to reward is worth. These are brand new accounts. Let's get it. Risk to reward is worth it. I want to see if we can pull up from this area and continue up. I want to see if this 1 hour starts with a bottom wick and we can flip and push. I would love that.
I see it.
So far, I mean, we're rolling right now. I'm not gonna lie. We're rolling right now.
I'm still not interested yet. I see what you see. Just not interested.
Shit, I went in pretty heavy, so I already secured like 200, so I'm chilling, going break even. Just in case you want to do some fuckery, I ain't got time to play with Asia today. I like how we're looking on the 15-minute. I want to see this hour flipping go, to be honest. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Bam.
Damn,
Bam.
there we go.
Bam. Just like that, homie. Just like that. I'm gonna start trailing. Like I said, I don't got time for the fuckery today.
He said, I'm not playing with y'all.
Yeah, I ain't got no time for fuckery today. I passed my accounts. I'm feeling good. I ain't trying to be pissed off. You know, it don't take much for me. Good shit. Good shit. Everybody who caught that shit, good shit. I'm gonna have a level here at the 850, so I'm gonna take a little bit more off the table there. You can see P2P members, you should see what I see there at that 850 on the 2 minute. That's something we actually look for. 1800 liquid with the payout. Good shit, Brody. Good shit, Brody. All right.
Actually see sales.
Yeah, this is exactly where I think you can sell from. That's why I said 850. I'm taking heavy partial. That's exactly where I can see sales from. But then now we vibing. Do I have my YouTube pulled up? Juice Trading, what's good, bro? Are y'all gambling? Heavens no. We trading,
Y'all
sucker.
gambling's crazy.
We trading, sucker. What you mean?
Oh, there it is. 2 minutes. There it is.
Okay, nice. Is that a treasy through? Do we survive the fuckery? Do we survive the fuckery, chat? We can get past the fuckery. I will be cutting another parcel at 71. I'm thinking maybe, yeah, 71 for sure. I'll be cutting another parcel if we can make it out the fuckery. Let me go ahead and put that there right now. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So that's 15.
Do not fuck with my drink. Go lay down.
Right? And we're trailing. We're trailing and we're chilling. We trailing and we chilling. What are y'all in buys? I'm in buys. Me personally, I'm in buys.
He is in buys.
I'm already
I
28.
I'm still looking for sales, but I'm waiting for confirmation. I don't. I don't know. This guy didn't convince me.
If we don't break this level, it's not gonna convince me either. But I already, I ain't gonna lie to you. But I sniped that shit damn near. So
You did. You sniped it. So you're good.
yeah.
But I want to see a rejection of 53 or 54, whatever it is.
Literally
If we
tap.
break that, yeah. That candle flip, I'm shorting.
Cole made 200 as soon as he got in. Fucking right. Literally, you fucking right. And take that and I'm a trail. Now, what I don't want is this 5 minute to do some crazy ass, volatile ass bottom weight and take me out. At least start with a top weight before you take me out, bro.
Start with the top wick.
Cause where are you trailing stop? I'm at 836 right now. But the fact that we can't get over this shit makes me want to low key take it, to be honest with y'all. Makes me want to low key take it. What made me want to buy? I have confluences. I told you guys there's a 30-minute gap that I want to see hold. I wanted to see the hour start with a bottom wick to test that gap for us to continue up.
That candle is flipping. I am getting ready to go short.
Yeah, that 850 area is
Not
strong.
yet.
That's why I said
Not yet.
taking heavy parcels there because 850 is a place that I see it can short from. 100%.
Yeah, haven't shorted just yet. I'm waiting. I want to see a break of the, what is it called? The orange box. A break and a closed. Oh, good.
Let's see.
And I'm in.
I bet. I'm out of that
I'm in
trade.
for sales.
Secured a nice 3 Bs. Secured a nice 3 Bs per account. I'm gonna go with you. This is exactly where I think it could sell from, low key. All right. You know, 843, boy. Yeah, that shit's done. That shit is done. Like that rejection.
11-point stop.
It can do. I like how that 2 minute looks. I can't even lie. I can't even lie. I can't even lie.
Target is on the screen.
Can't even lie.
It varies. I add to my position. Like, so it varies. Sometimes I go in with one, sometimes I go in with two.
We're trading NQ. We're trading NQ, guys.
And then I add 3, 4. I don't think I usually go past 4. Pedro said that you're looking fine as fuck today.
I'd rather your bitch tell me that, Pedro. YouTube, what we on? How we did this morning, YouTube? How did we do this morning, YouTube?
You see how price action was shit today and the PTP didn't actually fire? That is how you tell that everything was shit today.
Literally.
Is it gonna take me out?
Now it wants to buy. It's crazy.
Now
work.
it wants to buy.
It's crazy work. Try to do the right thing. Trail. Takes me out. Takes me out. Minus 50 cents. That's my boy right there, Mighty Steve, bro. Good shit, Brody.
Telling you, NQ's on some fuckery lately.
Ain't nothing like losing 50 cents, Brody. 2 quarters. I want to see it come out of this range or I won't trade tonight.
Yeah. If it stops me out,
But you when you're right,
I
bro.
want to see something stronger than the.
Excuse me. I lost like $48 today. I'm gonna call that a W because you know fools were chasing shit today. Yeah. You know how many people blew accounts today? I know a lot of people blew accounts with this price X today. Boy, this is crazy how they do me, boy. This is crazy how they do me. They take the young
This is crazy.
out. They take the young hustler out. But we took the highs on NQ, but we didn't on ES. So still kind of believe in
This still could just, yeah, this could just be a liquidity grab.
Yeah, I still kind of believe in this. Could be just a top wick for the 5. That's literally what it could be.
This is still just bullshit.
Coach, you from Florida, bro? Who's that?
That's the gap. The gap is over there.
You know that. Can you hear Max call Mr. Green and ask him to chill on this bullshit?
That is.
Who the hell is Mr. Green?
I don't know, but chill on the bullshit.
Who the fuck is that?
I don't know. I'm just saying, like, the bullshit has been, like, wild lately.
The bullshit has been bullshitting, for sure.
Like, NQ has been so choppy. Do we have news tomorrow? Like, what news do we have that, like, price is waiting for? Because I feel like that's what is going on. Like, every time we accumulate like that, we're just waiting on something to happen.
David Green, the market maker. Oh. I'll see what I can do, bro, but I don't think I got no rank like that. I ain't got no pull like that yet, Brody.
I ain't got no pool like that.
You asking the wrong guy. I'm literally for the 8 point. What is this? Not even 8 points. Oh, look at that candle. I was just about to click. I was just about to click the button. Why do they have to take me out to do this, bro? That's wicked work. How many points did
I
I just
mean,
make?
now that I'm seeing we are holding the gap. We just retested the gap. So buys are definitely valid.
It had to come down here just to explode 100 ticks. That's wicked work. We just officially took
Yeah.
on
The
ES.
the 5 minutes is actually looking a lot cleaner than the lower time frame. I think on NQ, like the way it's been moving, we have to look at the 5. Because fuck, the lower time frame, it's like even this. All of it's just
Yeah, that's what I was basing it off. I wanted that 5 and that 1 hour to start with that bottom wick, and we flipped. Literally what I was looking for, but was on the wrong side of the next 5 minute. The next 5 minute came with a steep ass bottom wick.
I was not even looking at the gap.
I didn't
I was looking
survive.
at the gap I would have been like, damn, I would have taken the buys with you as soon as we tapped back into the gap. That was it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm
Fuck.
like that shit. My entry was like 29.
Because if we're leaving these lows over here for tomorrow, then we should buy up overnight. So that would make sense that we buy up overnight to sell tomorrow. What news do we have tomorrow? Do we
We
have
got
any
new
news
small.
tomorrow? I don't know. I was about to look.
Yeah, check and see.
Tomorrow. Yep, we have news at 8:30 and 10 o'clock. That would make
8:30
sense.
8:30 is what GP?
What is it? Core GDP growth, core PCE, personal spending,
Oh, we got PMI tomorrow.
personal income, mommy happy. New and then new home sales at 10.
Yeah, we got PMI at 9:45 too. Tomorrow's gonna be kind of crazy.
Yeah. So I think we're waiting for that. That would make sense that today was bullshit. And then, like, ideally, because I am still very much so bearish, but if we're just thinking about it, like, on how this should play out, if we're wanting sales for New York tomorrow, then I want to see buys overnight. That's my problem because sometimes I'm like, oh, this is the target. And it's like, yeah, but like, think about it. It might be the target for tomorrow. And that's where I'd be tripping on Asia.
It's all good. It's all good. Like I said, I ain't got
Because,
to play with Asia today.
yeah. Because on the daily time frame, look at this. Like, we are 100% selling. Like we are rejecting the daily gap pretty aggressively. We didn't even come to the, like, we didn't even get a body on the 50%. Like, the
See,
daily is bearish as hell.
I get one in here. And let's see what we do. Let's see what we do.
That actually sounds really nice now that I'm thinking about it. So let me look at the 1 hour. No, 30 minutes. I think I like the 30 minutes better. Like we left this gap untapped right here.
Mm-hmm.
If we take all this buy side into this gap and then we drop like it's hot tomorrow and take everything out.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Mm-hmm. Yep. I like that bias a lot because we have relative equal lows. It's refusing to take it because it just accumulated over here. It didn't take it. We take this previous high, tap into the higher time frame, fair value gap, and then dump because we have two news tomorrow. Bro, why is my house cold? Where's my other phone?
Yo, at mine too, bro. I just had to put the heater on.
I'm
In Florida.
about to because like fuck. Oh yeah, let me about to put the heat on because like Jesus Christ.
I just had to put the heat on in Florida. Shit is fucking cold in here.
Yo, my thermostat be tripping. See, like it wasn't this cold. I did not put this bitch to be this cold. It literally moved from 70 to 63 on its own. Bro, I'm suing this.
Go to the tiny hat. Damn, my hat tiny. I have violent. Oh shit. That's tiny. The Black and Miles you be smoking tiny. She ain't gonna like that one. I ain't gonna lie, she is not
Wait,
gonna
what?
like. She is not gonna like that one.
What?
Me telling
What?
Margin in Black and Miles she smoke be tiny. She smoking Black and Mild roaches, y'all.
I like Black and Mild.
Pause,
But you told me I'm not allowed to smoke them.
Pause the whole trade. Didn't I tell you we don't smoke no Black
You
and
know
Mild?
what's hilarious? Because the reason why I stopped smoking the Black and Milds was with my first black boyfriend.
Yeah, but he was light skinned, bro. See, he taught you wrong.
He did teach me.
If he was with a dark skin, he would have had you on that za. But you went and got a light skin, he got you smoking fucking original Black and Milds with the wine tip.
Yep, with tip wine. Oh my god.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I know a ninja when you ain't got to tell me.
Oh man.
You ain't got to tell me that.
To be fair, we were in the military. We couldn't smoke weed even if we wanted to. So
You let that man have you spark up a Black and Mild with the wine tip.
I sure did. And then I liked it. That's the worst part.
Done fucked up, bro. Got a baddie.
Cat activity.
I'm up almost 10 points, by the way.
Oh, I'm up too. I got in on the buys.
Yeah.
Because after I did the analysis, I really did have to go to the 5 and the 15 to really think about this for a second.
You see that 30 minute I was talking about?
Yeah. Because we had the relative equal lows, I was like, oh no, we have to go there. But I'm like, then I started thinking, no, we don't, because we're going to leave those for New York. As soon as that clicked, and then I saw that we rejected the new day opening gap, then I was like, oh, now it makes sense.
We're on the right side of the 5 minute right now. My only thing is the first minute in the 5 minute.
Margie's busting your balls.
What did Coach smell like at the event? I'm pretty sure it's black. I don't even smoke Black in my house, bro. It smelled like Prada cologne.
Prada cologne, he says.
Smell like nice, good Prada cologne, man. I was smelling like the ocean, by the ocean. Don't let that go over your head. Whole day has been dog PA. Eric Pan, you goddamn right, Brody.
It sure
Whole day,
has.
the whole day is dog
It
shit.
sure fucking has. What was it? 24961? Wait,
He
what
said
time frame
P2P got something against light skinned brothers. Nah, bro. I'm just saying.
am
A light skin put on Black and Miles. That's all I'm
I?
saying.
I'm dead. Oh, I'm tripping.
One and done to New York. Good shit, Shane.
Hell yeah.
Good shit, bro.
Why is my house so cold? Is the Nest fucking with me again? Yo, I literally just put the heat on. This motherfucker just cooled itself to 62. No fucking way.
That shit like, hell no, you gonna freeze in this bitch. I don't give
Because
a fuck
I
what
noticed, I
you
was
got
like,
to do.
damn, why is it still busting like cold air? Like, my Nest is broken, guys. I don't know. I'm an electrician here.
Are you
It's
considered
crazy.
light skinned? No, bro. I'm pecan brown.
I'm pecan brown.
I'm pecan brown, bro.
Yeah, I deleted all my schedule. There's no scheduling. It's just fucking with me. It just wants to see. It just wants my nipples to be fucking poking. That's what it really wants to do with me. Rich bitch problem. You gotta turn off the auto learn. I have the auto learn on because I turned off literally my schedule. I put it all to for heat, which like do I have a schedule for cooling? Maybe no history.
My group trading is activated and I'm still not able to trade on both accounts together.
See, auto schedule is off.
What platform are you using, Lone Wolf? See, this is exactly what I was saying with the 5 minute. It's on our side, but it's the first minute in the 5 minute. 5 minute always likes to retrace a little bit.
I bet somebody just hacked into my house, so I'll be cold all the time.
After I passed my FFF accounts in New York, I bought 3 Apex accounts with you too, Coach. One and done for the night. Good shit. 710. Sheesh.
Woo!
Way up. Way up that chicken. 700 per account. That's that bacon right there. I'm here to trade. I don't need to see your nipples. The fuck say you get no action without saying you get no action. She
Are you new into the Discord?
No, he's trolling. He's trolling.
Why not both?
So you rather be messing a 40-year-old with a fat ass or 25 fine shit with an Android? Sheesh. That boy pulling out the ultimatums. That boy pulling. Well, I ain't gonna lie. 25 with an Android, you're out of here. I'm sorry.
You're out of here. It's crazy.
You're out of here, bro. There's no way I can't FaceTime my 25-year-old fine shit. It's just not happening, bro.
That is not happening.
Now the Cougar, it ain't gonna go far with the Cougar.
Yeah, so Javi said that your ass is nicer than mine.
Javi didn't say that, bro.
He did.
Javi ain't say that, bro.
No, he said it's fatter.
Javi did not say that, bro.
It did.
Hey, we about to hit TP1 at 871, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Javi didn't say that, bro.
He did.
Javi, bro.
It's recorded. You can go watch it on YouTube.
YouTube. Yeah, me and Javi have to have a conversation, man. I gotta
He said you think.
I gotta holler at my boy.
Oh
I gotta,
man,
that's wicked work, Javi. You a married man. That's wicked work.
I'm pretty sure his wife agrees.
Oh, smooth operator confirmed it. Oh my goodness. Fucked up, bro. All right, fam. I'm out. Y'all have a good night. I can't trade this slow ass shit till I fall asleep. See you all tomorrow morning for sure, Brody. We'll see you. We'll see you in the morning, Nate Dog. Catch you in that pre-market, Nate Dog.
Oh man. What the fuck was that?
Yo, get up to 871 before I
Get over
slap
here.
it.
Get over here.
Get to 871 before I slap the shit out of you. Stop playing on me, bro. Stop playing on me, bro. I watched him say it. Miss K911, bro. I gotta have a conversation with Javi, bro. I gotta have a conversation with my boy. That's wicked work. Did he even pause that? Probably not.
Pause what?
The foolishness. Get your
What are you
ass to
talking about?
871 and stop playing with me, bro. G shit. Don't make me jump through this computer, bro.
Don't make me jump through this
Don't make me
computer. It's
jump through
crazy.
this fucking computer, bro. Get your ass to 871, gang. You got 2 minutes. I'm dead ass serious. You got 2 minutes on me. You got 2 minutes. I'm gonna get hot. You got 2 minutes, or I'm gonna get hot. You got 2 minutes, or I'm gonna get hot. Right. Right. Get your ass up there. Get your ass up there. Get your ass up there, homie. Get your ass up there, bro. They don't want me to jump through this fucking computer, bro. They don't want me to jump through this shit. They know how I get. They know how I get. Now get the 882. Or I swear to God. Get your ass up there. Blick on them codes. YouTube. 882, bro. I'm not playing with you. 882, bro. Or it's gonna be pressure. Matter of fact, 880. I'm gonna make it easy for you. 880. 880. YouTube, you see how I talk to these bitch ass charts, man? These charts pussy, man. You see how I talk to this shit, bro? And it just do what I say. Pussy ass NQ, man. Who the fuck she think she playing with, chat? I don't even play around like that, homie. I don't even play around like that. I don't even play them type of games, homie. Was down 1,200, now up 850. Good look. Yeah, all you gotta do is just, disrespect the talk. You gotta talk shit, bro. And Q be thinking she runs shit sometimes, yo. And Q be thinking like she just the boss lady. We don't play like that. Taking another partial. Right. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. I'm done talking.
Huh?
I'm done talking. 901 next TP. 901 next TP. I'm done talking.
I'm so confused to what the fuck just happened.
What you mean? I cussed NQ ass out. She tightened up.
No, like what? I think
We
my trade evade is
rolling.
I think
Who is
my
in the
trade
loan?
evade is acting up.
Who's in the loan? Oh, your trade base fucking up?
It literally took me out of the trade and said that I can't place any more trades. And I was up as fuck.
What? Do you have like a lockout setting? Does Trader Bay even have lockout setting?
Yeah, my trailing is also good. That's what I'm looking at right now. It does, but I didn't put any.
Javi, you boy, Javi,
What the
bro.
fuck?
Damn,
What did that?
that's fucked up, Javi, bro.
Oh my god, bro! I can't believe this.
How do you
Jesus Christ!
how do you lower your consistency?
Hold on.
What does that even mean, B-Rob? Why would you want to lower your consistency? You want to be as consistent as possible. Thanks, coach. That last push to 880 pulled me out of the negative. Good shit, Brody. Who's in the
This
loans? Is
is
anybody in the
so
loans?
fucking weird. I don't remember setting this up.
Nice, nice. Trail a little bit closer. A little bit closer. We take these highs, I'll trail even more closer, to be honest. Right here is good.
Bro, the trade of eight is fucking testing my patience today, bro.
So it took you took you out of all of your positions and said you can't trade anymore type shit?
Yeah, but now I fixed it. It exited me out in profit, but this is crazy.
Coach gonna up the Draco on his monitor. Nah, bro, we on YouTube, but if we wasn't, I might. But I ain't got to. You see, I just use my words, man. I just cuss that bitch out, and she just, she don't want Coach to get on her ass, bro. And Q know what's up with me, bro.
I might just re-enter on that. What is that? The 2 minute looks clean on that 2 minute gap, maybe.
Oh yeah,
that was fucking wicked. I had such a good fucking entry. Oh my god, bro.
Oh, so you
They don't want me to be great.
They put it in place like automatically? Like an automatic lockout type shit?
Well, I fixed it, but yeah, I don't know how. Oh, yeah, I do know how. I know what happened. So remember I told you my trade of eight was fucking up earlier?
Mm-hmm.
That because I couldn't exit out of any positions manually.
Mm-hmm.
So I tried putting the max win for the day for $1,000 to see if it would liquidate me, and it didn't. It wouldn't allow me to set that. So it didn't even allow me to press the save button. And now it did on its own. That's retarded.
That's weird.
That is fucking retarded. I'm pissed.
I'm in Discord and YouTube. Scat Trader, that's love, Brody. Can someone explain to me how TBT can pay out if it's simulated? What do you mean? You pass, you get over the buffer, and anything over the buffer is yours. Just like any other prop.
I don't think they understand what prop firm is.
Hi, Izzy. What indicator is the lines? Yeah, I don't think Izzy uses any indicators.
I think he's talking about the boxes. It's ICT Q zones and pivots.
Oh, okay. I didn't even see your shit.
But yeah, because I have it grayed out.
We are stalling at this level. This is one of my P2P. This is one of my fib levels, 236 on fib 2. So this is where we're stalling from. If we can break and close above this.
Yeah, but you see how we have this gap on the 2 minutes? I think we're just retesting because we just broke and now we need a retracement and then a push back up. I think that it's fine. Yeah, the 1 minute is super choppy. The 2 minutes and 3 minutes look a lot cleaner.
And we in. We're rolling. We chilling. We do got TA meters tonight too. Definitely got some TA meters. There was somebody asking me about TAs the other day. I got the new manual lock feature for TradeAway. Oh, I mean, I don't use no lockout feature. I'm pretty good on stepping away from the computer. Like, I don't get mad and trade. I get mad and walk away. So that's a blessing of mine. I don't try to like get hot and trade. Once I'm hot and the charts piss me off that bad, I'm gonna go in a room and fucking curse up a storm. To be honest. I'm done. Just did 90 points, 15 micros.
Hell
90
yeah.
points. Wait, 90 points.
He probably got in on the first.
I bottom tick
we
this
did
shit.
the bottom tick. Yeah, there's no 90 points, maybe 90 ticks because max we win was 60 points from the bottom.
Either he can't count or he is flagging.
I think he meant ticks. Because we definitely did go ticks, but not points.
Yeah, 60 points. Now that's like 240 ticks. Poom Poom is like pizza. When it's good, it's so good. And when it's bad, it's still pretty good. But yeah. What provoked you to say that, brother? What provoked you to just throw that out there, gang? You can't question genius. Fucking right. Fucking right. Sorry, I'm new to the Discord and group, thinking about trying an eval. Oh, so you must be new to trading in general. Yeah, bro. All the prop firms, they're gonna it's all simulated. They're gonna pay you out. You make your investment, whether it was $50, $100, whatever the account size that you want. And if you do the right things to pass the buffer to get past the eval, they're yours. Just make sure you read the rules to all the props. If you're gonna get a new prop, use one of our partners. Make sure you use code BDM. If you're using TPT, use code P2P. Or BDM. Either one. Keep cussing. I'm in the long still holding late entry. Now I can't keep snapping on NQ. She did a lot for me, bro. I cussed her ass out and she went to 2 TPs for me. I gotta let her breathe, bro. I can't cuss her out all the time, bro. NQ testing the highs again. You need to. Oh, I got trailed out of one. Still rolling the other. If it wants to test this 1 minute gap that it's in right now, if I'm not mistaken, I think we just rejected the 50% of it. Let me see while one. Yep, we literally tapped the 50% of it. Exploding off of it. Well, not exploding, but good reaction off of it. I want to see a continuation. Let's get some people up here for some TA meetings. Izzy, Coach, are you in the trade? Oh shit, Izzy, you want to answer that?
No, I don't actually.
Bro said exploding. It was 1.5. I corrected myself, motherfucker. I corrected myself, bro. Damn, stall me out. First time here, I trade Forex. You recommend futures? Like, which is better? I touched futures and never even looked at a Forex chart again.
Oh, good. I'm playing. We are looking for buys. We're talking about buys right now.
I've been in the buys since like 54.
We've been in the buys, yeah. But this looks like a nice retracement that I would get in. Again, because can't believe that stupid. Oh my god, TradeAway is really pissing me off today, bro.
The name of this show should be TA, Tits and Ass, Izzy and Coach. That brother is starving. Who want to come up for a TA meeting? Who wants to come up? You could definitely run a few.
Oh, I have a surprise for you. It's
Who,
not a
me?
good one. Yeah.
It's not a good one.
No.
The hell
Oh.
that's supposed to be?
Hello, my name is Izzy, and I tilted yesterday.
What's up, Izzy?
Hi,
So
Coach.
so you went on tilt yesterday.
I sure
Yesterday was
did.
yesterday was like choppy as hell.
It was.
Now, why do you think you went on tilt?
Well, there were several factors. Um, for starters, I had to report myself trading after requesting a payout, and they forced me to trade my already requested account for 3 days,
Oh,
not just one day. And I was forcing trades in order to be done with the recording, and I just kept taking bullshit losses. And then I got below the buffer from the actual profit from the accounts because of those losses that I was recording. And the next day I was like, well, I got to make the money back. Took a bunch of bullshit more losses.
that's definitely go ahead.
And yeah, and then I just tilted because at that point I was just like, well, my payout is not going to get accepted. And I just kept on thinking about the money.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, that's a valid tilt. Like that is a valid
That
no,
is
that's a valid crash out. Like so, not gonna lie, I probably would have tilted my fucking face off if that was me. But you already know you were just doing the shit that we humans do. Even though you're a very profitable trader, even though you have a lot of time in the game, we're still human. We still go through those same things. So even though that tilt was valid, at least you know why you went on tilt. You know you have accountability for why you went tilt, looking at the money. Even though they asked you to record trades and that kind of threw you off of requested bread is crazy though.
I never lost a requested payout before. Like that is news to me.
Yeah. But I mean
That was insane.
the good news is you know how to make it back. You know what you got to do to make it back.
Yeah,
Now
I
the
do.
so what was different from last time? Like all the payouts we were getting from before between now, is it because like they seen that you were getting too much?
That was the first payout from Apex.
Oh, that was the first payout from
And I
Apex.
think, well, not my first payout from Apex, but I think is my first. Um, well, it was over 30 grand. So I think like because my last payout with them was like 10 grand, but that was like last year when I stopped trading with them. So I don't know. It must have been because it was like a really big payout.
Yeah, that's I mean that's definitely unfortunate. Like I said, that's pretty valid. I'm pretty sure anybody would because I mean you got a payout request and you trying to get that payout. For them to like throw that in your face like last minute, that is kind of crazy. But I mean we're human. We're gonna go on tilt sometimes, it happens, but the good news is you already know what you need to do. That definitely is heartbreaking for sure. I know myself. I would have been blacked out in here.
Yeah.
Tunnel vision.
Yeah. It's been honestly, guys, tough coming back from that. Like, I'm not gonna say like I'm happy about it. Like, who the fuck would be happy about that shit, right? But I do want to say that I am confident because I achieved some goals still, right? Still try to look at the positives. Like, my goal this year was to get funded with 20 accounts on Apex because I never got funded with 20 accounts, and to request a payout from those 20 accounts. Didn't get a payout, but I achieved both goals, right? So the fact that I was able to do it, I think it brings my confidence up because I wasn't able to do this before, right? So once you get to that point that like, okay, I got this. I see how I treated. I saw how it was. It was stressful, but I did it. I think my confidence will be like, okay, all I gotta do is repeat the same shit over and over again. Because at the end of the day, this is like a long-term plan, right? The goal is not just one payout; it's several payouts.
Hmm.
So if I can't do it again, it means that I wouldn't request a second payout anyway. So what the fuck is the point of that? Like you really do need to be confident on your skill set to be able to be like, okay, I fucked up, but you know what? I did it one time. I'm doing it again.
Exactly. And that just goes to show, man, we're human. We're human. But
We
you're
are.
taking the good out the bad and running with it. The good news is, oh, I'm out of that trade. After that dump, I'm out of that trade. And 400 per account. We chilling.
Woo.
Um, yeah, you take the good out the bad and run with it. You know you could do it again. You reach your own personal goal. They did some fuckery. It happens, but hey, you know what you have to do now. I'm going on tilt. That's just something we all gonna do.
Yeah.
Or they
But
ask me
it,
some questions.
but I, you know, but I do take some account. I take a lot of accountability too because, like, okay, I could have, you know, I don't know, worked a little bit harder on my psychology. I knew that I was under a lot of stress, you know, guys, and that's why we say like you need to have a certain balance with like once you notice that you are at that point, and then two, because I want you guys to understand, from the day I passed that account until I request payout, I didn't have a single red day. I was on a winning streak. And sometimes winning streaks are worse than wins and losses because once you get to that losing day, your mind is not used to it anymore. And the crash out that what is coming can be a lot harsher. And I knew that. I literally knew that. And I told myself that I was just like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to handle a losing day after a winning streak that big. Because I think that was one of like, my most profitable winning streaks for sure. Yeah. Because I know myself. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I really do take accountability for like, like when you understand yourself and you know that those things will trigger you, you need to be prepared every single day. It's not like be aware of it and not do anything about it. You need to be aware of it and do something every single day to work towards it. I do have a personal assistant, by the way.
Was that a surprise?
Yeah, that was a surprise. I told you it wasn't a good one.
I mean, I was thinking like you was like I was thinking the worst.
Oh, that is the worst because I can't think of anything worse than that at this specific point in time.
Oh, I see. I see why you said it's a bad surprise.
Yeah.
Definitely think. But
But
I ain't
it's
gonna lie, Izzy,
like,
you don't care.
yeah, but listen, like Apex put those rules into place too, guys. Like, not talking shit about firms absolutely at all. Like, they are our partners, right? You got to understand that, like, they put a lot of money in the line, and they want to make sure that you are consistent. That is not just like you hit that one big trade and you're done, right? And especially when you're hitting those levels, they want to make sure that everything that you're doing is legit. Because for a firm to stay this long, you know, and survive, they need to put certain rules in place and make sure that the traders are actually being sustainable for the entire company. Yeah, you don't have room for fuck up. Like you don't have room to tilt. Like, can you imagine if it was your own money? If you had 5 million, if you were trading for either your own money or your head or a hedge fund, because at the end of the day, that's what prop firms are, right? Once you get to the live stage, they're hedge funds. Do you really think that they want to see you literally blow like what is it? I don't even know how many fucking hundreds of thousands in one day. None of them want to see that. And that is what makes you from just a retail trader into a professional trader, right? Like those are the differences. You need to be able to mitigate the losses. It does not matter how you feel. And the other thing is that like I had my safety feature turned on before, right? And then because my copter was fucking up, I turned it off literally the day before because it wasn't copying the numbers correctly.
Damn.
And you see how this shitstorm goes? Because literally the day that I turned it off, I forgot to turn it back on. The very next day, immediate tilt. So like all those nuances that you know that you put in place, you have to check every single day. Before going to bed that day, I needed to make sure that that was on, you know? So like you want to be a professional trader, you want to do this for a living, there are a lot of nuances that you have to do and pay a lot of attention to details. No prop firm, no hedge fund wants to fund a guy that is blowing accounts in a day. And I completely understand that. Yeah.
Bro, stop flossing your teeth on stream. Ugh. Hey, Focus Forex, are you a guy? Serious question. Typing UGHHHHHH as a grown man is crazy.
As a grown man.
Y'all gotta tighten up, bro. We gotta leave some shit to the women, bro. But Izzy's 100% right, guys. He's 100% right. You gotta pay attention to what you're trading. Granted, it was just unfortunate what happened with Izzy. I ain't gonna lie, I wouldn't expect that shit. So nobody
Shit, I
around me.
wasn't either. Shit,
Nobody
you
would
know, it
expect
was
that.
one of those things that like literally it hit me like a ton of bricks, right? And what could I have done differently? I could have journaled. I knew I was under high stress. I could have paused after every single trade, right? Like all those things that we know we have to do, but we are not doing it. So like what is the point? We have to journal. We have like this is a constant marathon, guys. It's not like let me do this one day and then not do it the next. Because the day that you do not do that one thing is the day that everything's gonna go to shit.
It's all right, Izzy. You know, you still that bitch, man. You know what you could do.
Yeah. We grind it again. We start back up.
How do you lower your consistency percentage? Bro, I don't know what you're asking me. You keep asking me the same shit I keep telling you to clarify. I don't understand why you would want to be less consistent. Maybe I'm reading that wrong, but what the hell is it
I think
lowering
he's
my...
talking about the prop firm. Like, how do you keep the consistency low? Because some prop firms require 20 to 25% consistency. Very simple. You make the same amount every single day.
Yeah, base it. Base it your way there, bro.
Yeah. Because with Apex, they require 30% consistency rule, right? I could not, like, you add the entire number from the payout. So, like, what is it that I had to make? I don't even remember. I had to get the account to 8,000. So you get 30% off the 8,000 and then make sure that that number, the max number is like, you throw it on ChatGPT and see what's 30% off of that. Mine was about $1,000. So I could not have a day more than 1,000. But like the more you make, let's just say you have 2,000 days in a row. Now 1,000, that is 50% of the total account profit. And then you can't make more than that. And then once you accumulate, you just keep on tracking to see if the percentage is still low enough. And if you can, yeah, that's how I did it. Because I started making like between 500 to 1,000 a day. And then the very last day I made $2,000 because I knew I could make it because I had already like 3 or 4 days of $1,000. Yeah, so you got to make more money. Throw it on ChatGPT.
Say I'm at 54%, I needed 40% or lower, so take losses.
No, it's not going to do that. It's not
Oh, it's
how
not?
you think it's gonna work. No, because it's from the total profits. So
Oh,
you are obligated to make more money.
oh, okay. Yeah, bro, you too rich, bro. You making too much bread. Slow down.
That is what consistency means. You know what I'm saying? So like they don't want you see you have to, because at 54 it means that you had 2 big days. So you need one more day that equals that amount of your biggest day for you to go down on the percentage.
It looks like now we're trying to break over that 236. That's so crazy.
Yeah,
What
I'm
is it?
actually on that trade. I told you I got back in on that
Oh, you still
on
in?
that fair value gap. Yeah, I got in on that fair value gap. It took me out one time and then I got back in after the liquidity grab again.
Oh, bet. Yeah, I'm gonna lie. Me personally, I'm done for
Yeah.
the day. Who is this? Mad Nami 88. Cameras on, bro. Unmute. State your name. State your issue. Shut the fuck up. Let us embrace you.
Hey, buddy, how's it going?
I'm good, buddy. How are
Can you hear
you?
me?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, I can hear you.
Good, good. Um, I would say my issue is that, for example, take profit trader, right? The 150Ks, I'm able to pass them, I would say, in 2 days. I'm able to make 4,500 and 4,500. And then I usually trade micros for the next 2-3 days, and I'm past, right? But once it gets to PAs, I end up blowing them just trying to pass that trailing drawdown of 4,500. So I don't know what am I doing wrong, because the way I trade the evals is I usually go heavy, 5 minis or 10 minis, and I try and pass them quick. But when it gets to the PAs, um, sometimes my trade is good in the right direction, but it comes back and blows my trailing drawdown. So how do I manage that?
Stop
Dude,
going.
I'm not, no, hold on. Okay, let me ask him a question.
Yeah, get on his ass,
Did you
Izzy.
did you hear what you just said?
Get
That
on
you
his
do
ass.
to pass the accounts?
Yeah, I usually, you can say full port. I go with 5 minis
Okay,
or 10 minis. Yes.
right. So if you full pour your accounts, what do you think that's gonna do to your live account?
But that's what I'm saying. Like, it's now so built into my psychology that I can't just stop clicking. So I'm not sure how to overcome that.
Stop being a dumbass. Trading 5 minis and 10 minis to pass an account. Then you're getting to the PAs, trading 5 minis and 10 minis. And you're asking us, why the hell are you blowing it? And you want me to tell you why you keep blowing it. Think about it. I just said that to you. How does that sound?
You know, no, I understand the problem. What I'm saying is, how do I pass that? 4,500 is a big buffer, and every time I see that kind of throws me off. So how do I take it slow? Like, I just want to understand, how would you do it? Like, if you had to pass that trailing drawdown.
Bro, I size down. I risk $200 to $250 per trade, and I'm gonna stay consistent until I get the 4,500 buffer. I'm not trying to get the buffer in one day. I'm not trying to get the buffer in 2-3 days. Whenever I get past the buffer is whenever I get past the buffer, but I'm not going to rush to get past the buffer. I'm not gonna drop 10 minis or 5 minis trying to pass a buffer. That makes no sense. Obviously, it's not working. You've been doing that and it's not working. So size down and actually focus on a strategy and take your time. That's not getting you nowhere trying to 10 minis and 5 minis your way through. You need to stop over leveraging and actually trade, not gamble. You want to trade. Right? I mean, there is intraday drawdown too. So, bro, even if he's in the right direction and it comes back down with 10 minis, bro, it only needs to come back down like 20 points.
You have no room to hold a trade whatsoever.
Nothing. You have no room for nothing. You're basically saying you want one candle to go all the way in your direction, all the way to 4,500. Knowing that this chart moves up and down, up and down, up and down, 10 points, sometimes comes down 20 points to go back up 30. You got to trade with some sense. Stop gambling. Do you have
Okay.
any courses?
So yeah, coach. I don't have a coach. I started trading about a year ago.
I didn't say a coach. I said a course. A course. Do you have a strategy? Do you have something that you're trading off of, or you're just clicking the button trying to pass evals?
No, so for example, in the Asia session, I was in the chats earlier too. Usually my strategy is like I take the daily candle and I mark the high and low and the mid, and I try to see a reaction off of that mid. So for example, 24,901 was today's my strategy, that it's gonna go to 24,901 at the open, and then it's gonna give a reaction off of that. That's what I usually trade off of in the Asia. That's the strategy I've been trading, and I've been pretty successful with that.
So basically, you're just full porting and guessing away that it goes. Lock in on your education. Come up, find the actual strategy, size down, take your time with them accounts. There's no rush. Nobody cares if you pass the buffer in a day, 2 days. Nobody cares if you pass an eval in 2 days, because you're passing evals, but you're blowing PAs or pros or whatever you're using. So it doesn't even matter. You're basically just gambling and getting lucky all the time. Lock in on some education, lock in on a course or something, and lock it on a strategy and stop playing. You treating this shit like you at the Hard Rock Casino.
Coach, well, how about you give him
Sounds
the
good. Thanks for
P2P
the.
indicator for a week? Because I feel like that's what he kind of needs to actually be able to see things.
Izzy saves.
Because he's not getting an account. He's about to fucking blow. He's about to blow an account. We're not giving him an account. You deserve to go back to paper trading. You're
Izzy,
gonna be in paper trading show.
She's not lying though. She's not lying. You got to go back to the drawing board. Izzy got a little hard on him. So I'm gonna have you open up a support ticket, and you're gonna get the P2P indicator free for a week. Start with there in the P2P indicator chat. You will see the P2P trader.
Sounds good.
You'll see the P2P trader chat in the Discord. Go in there. There's a pinned video. Watch the video. Get the gist of it. Watch the video a bunch of times. And try to get the gist of what we're talking about and actually trade with some sense. Rather than saying, I think it's going to go to 901 in open. So let me, at 9:30, let me drop 10 minis one direction. That's not how you trade.
Why? The chat is terrible.
All right, bro? We'll talk soon.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your help.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thanks, bro.
Dead ass
really,
though.
He really need his ass whooped. Did you guys have glitching this morning at market open through TraderVate? I lost an eval account because
Yes.
I couldn't exit or modify my.
Yeah.
I was at the open. I was on the shitter, bro. I ain't gonna lie. So
I no, yes, not a. I might happen in the afternoon actually. While I was in the power hour, I couldn't get out of the trade at all.
who else is coming up? We got time.
Wait, hold on, mods. Can you guys take a look at Sin? He's spamming. Okay. He's just being retarded. Okay, cool. Because somebody said about that. It's like, are you hacked? I didn't know.
Wait, Sin, bro. They got you thinking you hacked, food. That's crazy.
Oh, somebody said that. Like somebody asked him. I was just like, I don't know.
I blew 7 accounts trading like him. I locked in and brought one last account and been having this account for 1 month with little losses. But shit, guys, you guys take your time on these accounts. Nobody, and I mean nobody, gives a fuck how fast you pass an account. Only you do. And even when you pass it, when you blow it, all of that shit goes out the window. Take your time with the trades. Chase consistency. The money will follow. Hold on, I seen hands. Hold up. I seen hands.
Hey guys, hold on. How do you? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, I hear you, bro.
Oh, cool. All right. I'm not sure how to turn my camera on. Oh, here we go. All right, awesome. But
What's going on, bro? State your name,
yeah,
state your
man.
issue. Shut up. Let us embrace you.
All right, Marinos. Today, my issue today was, well, you know how indicator week is this week. I really don't ever use indicators, so I tried using some. I was relying on it too much and just got cooked all day yesterday too. I'm typically I'm just looking at price action breakouts, and yeah, I was just relying on on Logan's indicator way too much for my breakouts, and obviously movement has been really weird past few days, and just cooked one of the fundeds today. So yeah,
With
but
the go. Oh, you was gonna say something else? Go ahead.
no, you got it. Go ahead. That's really honestly my main issue is just well, at least for this week, and mostly I know today was a greed issue for sure,
Well,
because I was over leveraged too. That's why I got cooked.
so greed plays a part, but also you're relying on an indicator. Behind those indicators are strategies. There's a reason why those indicators are there at those levels. It's because it's someone's strategy. Whose indicator do you have? Quantum, Pivot on the Pro,
He said Logan.
Pivot on the Pro. Oh, okay.
Mhm.
Logan has a
I looked at the
strategy.
video. I swear I watched it. I followed it. Every time it hit that thing, it turned around. Literally every single time. I don't know what to say, but it's cool. I mean, the thing is like, I know I probably wasn't using it right for sure. But I did watch the video. Not saying that it's wrong. It's probably just weird price action this week, honestly.
Well, so that's what I was gonna say, because like you're not gonna have a winning day every single day, right?
Yeah, nah.
And right, so they're gonna have days like today that is choppy as hell, and you're gonna get the indicator or whatever, and you're gonna still take the trades, right, like you normally would. But if you don't have a
Mhm.
max loss for the day or how many trades you can take in a day, like you have to have a parameter of some
Yeah.
sort that indicates that you're done trading, right?
Mhm.
So I think that that is where you need to start, because like you're gonna have down days. Like let's just say you're gonna have
Mhm.
down weeks. What happens if you're down every single day in a week? Are you still gonna blow the account, or you're gonna lock yourself out enough to survive that week to come back the following week, right? Like what number is
Yeah.
that?
Yeah. Like what I used to tell myself was, um, I would only risk like 200. And then I noticed that every time I looked at the number, it just like, it wasn't well, it was, I know my issues are entries too. Like most of the time my entries are terrible, but, um, the main issue is that I don't know how to explain this. It's definitely my entries for sure. It's just like if I'm looking at FVGs, right? If I'm looking at FVG, most of the time I'm trying to enter at the top of the FVG instead of waiting for it to hit midline for it to reverse or something like that. So I have a patience issue. I used to say 200, and then I noticed that the levels aren't lining up with the money amount. So,
So
and
your
that's
lot
my
size
entry
needs to
issue too.
change,
Yeah.
right?
I'm
No,
using like three
and
micros.
so here's what I tell my students, right? Because you're new, you're not gonna have a perfect entry like Coach, like me, like Lama, right? The other guys use breakout strategies. I don't understand how the perfect entry is for those. But when we're talking about bottom tick, top tick, like we took us like a long time to get to the point that we are able to get those entries, right? Like that didn't happen overnight. And I
Yeah.
tell my students this a lot. I started with 100 points stop loss and 100 point take profit because I didn't know how to play stop losses. And then it went from like, oh, now it's a 50 point stop losses, 100 points take profit. And then it went to like, let me understand market structure, because I think a lot of you guys are trading and you're relying on indicators and you don't understand market structure. And then you don't understand how to place proper stop losses and when to get in and when to get out. And those are things that you just need to study and it will come to you. So until you are good at your entries and understanding market structure, then that will come. But you need to allow yourself to have room for that kind of error,
Yeah.
because you will
Yeah.
have.
Like this structure, right? Like that you have on the screen right now, like the structure, it's obviously up, it's going up, but you'll see that crazy pullback for it to just continue going up. And then that's where I'm getting caught.
Okay, but I mean, did it break your level? Like you need, like your stop loss is there, not just to protect your capital, right? But the reason why the stop loss is where it is because if it breaks that level, your trade is invalidated. We can retest that fair value gap 10 times and it still be valid until we have a break and a closure that breaks market structure.
Right.
Your trade is still valid. Those are just your emotions talking at that point.
Yeah. What's been working really well for me before, I also think I've switched my my style. Like for the last month and a half, I was doing, I was mainly just trading off of FBGs and doing okay and not okay. Okay, I wasn't like blowing accounts in one day or anything like that. But then when I started looking for like breakouts, because quite a few of them worked out for me really well, I switched it, and then that's how I got cooked this week. So I wasn't like mainly looking at FVGs this week. I was looking at fibs and breakouts.
But that's the thing. Like, did you backtest that and try it on a demo before you jump on an actual account, right? Because if you're gonna change strategies, you need to do the legwork. You don't just say, I woke up one day and decided that fuck that strategy, I'm just gonna do this new thing now, and never tried it out before. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay. So I guess I'll give you some more background. I used to do Forex for a couple years, so I understand like structure, stuff like that.
Okay.
I wasn't good at Forex. I wasn't good at it. I never was profitable. Mainly just took losses for 2 years. Then I just took a huge break, and then I got back into trading like 2 months ago. I've passed a total of 5 evals. Got close to 3 different accounts getting the payouts and then blown. This one was close too because it was lucid. It's only like 5 days of 150. I got like 3 good days, and then yesterday and today has been just like this for me. Get back to normal, then back down, back to normal, and then blown. But yeah, no, it's facts. I gotta just look at structure and then just fair value gaps. I gotta go back to what was doing working for me.
And to be quite honest, here's my other thing. If you're gonna use a structure and fair value gap trading Logan shit, did you think about like actually booking a coaching call with Koach instead?
I didn't even know you guys did that until yesterday.
Because you're asking the wrong person over here. You're gonna ask Logan for
I know.
It's gonna be crazy.
I know it. I was
He probably
because
cursed me the fuck out, to be honest.
I know. Look, his indicator's great. I'm not using it right. Like I'm not bashing his thing. It's good. I'm just not using it right. But
That's great.
Right, but,
It's great, 100%.
Yeah, for sure. I've seen it in action.
Go ahead.
But does it fit your trading style? That's the second part to it. Because you might just not be a scalper. Like that can be the bottom line of it. Maybe
I'm
you
not.
just
I used to be just a swing trader. I used to swing. My trades were swing trades back in the day. I can't do it here. So that's a little bit new for me too. I'm used to kind of holding trades, but yeah, I need to just get back to the SMT trading,
Yeah.
honestly. And look at it, it's dumping now. And I had a short up there. I had a short at the top, and then it
Yeah,
took
man.
me out, and then it's doing that. But yeah, I just need
Yeah,
to adjust. I need to adjust.
yeah, just
I
and
think
Lama,
I think you need
I'm
to
back to
really
basics.
consider. I think you need to consider P2P because, like, and guys, this is why we're a team, right? We don't just push one strategy because if it's not the right fit for you, we have other strategies that might. So, like, you got Logan stuff. It's not that it's trash. It's not that it doesn't
No, it's
work,
not.
but it's
It's
not a
not.
good fit for you. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And that's where
Right.
we need to be like realize that okay, that is not a good fit for me. Let me go back to the SMC. Who does SMC and is good at it? Who holds trades?
Hmm.
P2P does. So like that is more your trading style, right? I
Hmm.
do. Like we sometimes I enter day trade, because you can catch the low of the day into the high of the day and kind of do the whole
Hmm.
intraday. You don't have to scalp, right? And the P2P indicator also helps with that.
Okay.
So
Yeah, I'm gonna check them out. And I'm gonna look at everybody that's doing, SMTs, and we'll. I'll just adjust, get back to basics.
find your trading style. Like I say after every show, find your trading style. We got all different
mhm.
type of flavors in here. If you are an ICT SMT trader, you need to be looking at the high and lows model, or you need to look at P2P. If you're more of a scalper, breakouts and all of that shit, then you look at Max, you look at Logan, you look at Javi. Whatever your trading style is, all of us are on live trading somehow, some way. You need to figure out which one you like and lock in with that mentor. 100%.
Yeah, thanks. Thank you all so much. I appreciate it.
No problem, bro.
Thank you.
Shit. We should
Now
have
let's
given
give
him a wake
away.
up the indicator.
Let's give. You know what? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead and
Yeah.
Go ahead and give him P2P indicator. He said he doesn't like indicators.
No,
Give
but the
him
P2P indicator is different. It's different. It's marking
give
up
him
there's a difference between like trading with an indicator and like marking up levels indicator. I feel like
open up a support ticket, Marinos. The mods will take care of you. We'll give you the
yeah.
free P2P indicator for a week.
Just a
And
week. If
you
he
like I
doesn't like
said,
it, then he doesn't like it.
yeah, you get the in the P2P trader chat. There's a pinned video in there where it explains everything. So you guys go ahead
Yeah.
and you just go ahead and do that and see how you like it.
Yeah, and then if you need more clarification on it, you can always book a call with Coach and actually go over your trading plan. And that's what coaches are for, right? If you don't have a trading plan, if you don't know what you're doing, if you're kind of stuck in between something, like that helps bring clarity.
Let's give away an account. YouTube, it's 162 people in here and 58 likes. I'm giving y'all 1 minute. If this shit can get to 100 likes in 1 minute, I'll shoot the account to YouTube. If not, I gotta fuck with Discord. Y'all got 1 minute, go.
I'm
If not,
answering Margie right now while we're waiting. No, I don't purposely ever blown an account, like really purposefully. Never. Um, it's just never worked out that way. I don't know. Like, what is it called? I need one more payout for Tradeify to ask me to go to live, and the account just ended up didn't surviving. But now I know that I'm like, fuck, do I even want to go back to Tradeify now? Because if I get any more payouts, I'll go to live. So like kind of like what is the point of it? So I just go to other firms. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, but live is not like the end all be all, guys, either. Like, because you can get daily payouts. It's just like having a live account. Like, okay, you're not making as much money copy trading, but you're getting daily payouts.
I ain't gonna lie, YouTube, y'all ain't right, bro. That's what I needed to say to get this bitch to 100 likes, huh? See how I got a bargain with YouTube? I said that, and in 30 seconds, that shit jumped up to 114.
No, I think they give you just one account with max allocation, or not max allocation. It's the percentage of the profits that you make, or something like that. Each firm is different. That's another thing. Like the live account and the rules is different in every single firm. So like you really need to look at the live, and see. And I mean, honestly, but we have so many prop firms that is like, just pick another one. You know what I'm saying? Yeah,
Literally.
all 5 go live. All 5 go live. Like you're done. You can't buy evals or nothing. Like once you go live.
All right, YouTube. Greedy motherfuckers.
Greedy mother.
No, I'm just playing. YouTube, I need y'all to spam Lucid. Spam Lucid. You got 1 minute. That boy Sin is not playing with y'all today, bro. That boy
Oh my god, I
Sin has
forgot. I have a lucid challenge that I gotta pass. I need to make $1,000 on it. I forgot about it.
I just seen Sin call like 22 dudes gay, bro. That guy's crazy. He just called like 22 dudes of fucking Batiman. Five seconds, y'all. Right. David Naguyan. David Naguyan. Yeah, I think that's how you spell it. David Naguyan. Go ahead and put out, come to the Discord, make a support ticket. You get a Lucid account. You get a Lucid account. The mods will take care of you. Open up a support ticket. Congratulations, bro. You won a Lucid account. W. David Naguyan. No. It's not. No, it's not spelled Nguyen. I know that's Nguyen. His shit is spelled Nagooyen. Wait. So Nguyen is win? That's not Nguyen? Bro, y'all be getting me hot, bro. Bro. Why?
You said
Y'all
why?
have Nguyen and you're gonna look me dead in my eyes and say that's win? Bro, I don't understand it, bro. That's so much letters for no reason, bro.
That's so many letters for no reason.
But BB goes, you win some, you lose some, but he spelled it like the
No. Are you looking at the chat?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. They going crazy, bro. Hey, wait, hey. Niggas, bro.
Damn, coach. I didn't know you were thick like that.
Bro.
Thick
Them
with
boys
2 C's.
Photoshop a picture, caught me in a happy mood on my birthday. I never tear spin. I ain't gonna lie, Yup, this is your fault too, bro. I took the shot with Yup. Yes, bro, I took the shot with you, bro. And then you mix that with my birthday. I'm feeling good, bro.
Damn, that shit thick.
Come on, bro. You know I ain't as thick as you.
Yeah, I'm
You want
dead.
to go on, Yuck, to end off the week? Come on, Yuck. Come on, Yuck. To end the week, all right. Not the week, but the MOT happy hour.
Yo, all right, hold on. Let me switch to my
This is the
computer.
first MOT happy hour. This is the first week, right? Of officially launched, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh yeah, it's only right. It's only right we take a shot, Yuck. You trade better high or sober. I don't smoke no more, bro. I don't smoke anymore. Hold on, Yuck. Let me get my shit.
Just got back from walking the dogs.
Say excuse me, motherfucker.
Excuse me.
I know your name is Yuck, but you ain't got to be disgusting, bro.
That's the whole point. Wait, this is one of my favorite sounds ever. Isn't that a nice one?
You know what my favorite sound is?
We can't disclose
Order
that.
rejected. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Dude's moaning is crazy work.
Dude's moaning is crazy. Yuck look like he's got some
Yo.
juicy lips. Yo, this guy's been
About
saying
the
crazy shit.
band.
Yo, this buy is buying. Izzy, you still in this?
Yeah.
Good God.
And 2 accounts too?
Don't make me look at the charts right now. I can't.
To the last week, to the first official finished week of MOT Happy Hour is only right. Me and my boy Yuck. Whoa. Oh shit. She gave me the shoulders.
Excuse me.
That
All
shit
right.
gave me the shoulders. Guys, that is the first official week of MOT Happy Hour. We appreciate you guys. He said, Coach, that was iced tea. Fam, me and Yuck do this all the time. I'm actually surprised we didn't take one at the event.
I tried to do one with Max, but he just mixed coffee with water. Actually, I think Logan did that.
Coach about to fuck up his stomach. Nah, bro. Weed fucks up my stomach.
Yo, look at that picture. Hell yeah.
All right, guys. Very solid. Exactly. We had a very solid week. I mean, if you guys are still in this trade with Izzy, you guys should be up. This shit is running. P2P, you know, that 900 area would have been a partial right there. You know what's right there. 6,994 in giveaways. That's pretty solid. Guys, if you guys make sure you guys tip the staff. You know, they work solely off tips. Make sure if you guys need your education, make sure you lock in with any of the courses that we have. We have the high and lows model with Izzy. We have P2P. We have Logan's Battalion. We have the Mastermind. Whatever your style of trading is, we have it. If you guys need a coach, we have lock in with me. You can lock in with Izzy. You can lock in with Logan. You can lock in with Javi. You can lock in with Jake. We have, like I said, all different styles and flavors of trading in the Discord. Find your style. Find the mentor you like. Lock in with them because you're not going to be able to do it by yourself. We have our first official week of MOT Happy Hour has been completed. If I'm not mistaken, I think we're like 5 for 5 or some shit like that. We've been doing our thing. If you guys are going to keep trading, make sure you guys trade safe, manage your risk properly. If you didn't catch any trades with us, money missed is not money lost. Don't go on tilt and blow your account. Now, if you do go on tilt and blow your account, just make sure you fuck with the boys. Code BDM. If you're using TPT, code P2P or BDM. If you're going to blow an account, if you're going to grab another account anyways, you might as well get the discount and rock with the boys. Hey, you got anything for them?
Yeah, and guys, don't forget to tip the staff. The staff is here. The mods are here. They are doing a great job of the show. They work solely off tips.
WMods.
YouTube, WMod.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
Study group, I'm going to catch y'all in the morning. Pre-market, I'm going to catch y'all in the morning. The rest, I'm going to catch y'all in the comments. Habibi, drop that hot shit on the ass, man.
She said take a left on Rodeo, only with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know where the B2Ps go. The OGs go there. I just found my people. I just found my people. Yeah. The Underground Railroad. Underground Railroad. Yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, catching all these Porsches, what the play, roll up on the black, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's. And we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. Where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the B2Ps go. Where the B2Ps go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the BTPs go. Where the BTPs go.